If you run a print shop and you're looking for a smarter, more efficient way to manage your jobs, customers, and workflow, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your entire print shop with Monday.com so you can stay on top of every job, keep your team aligned, and impress your customers, all without feeling overwhelmed by sticky notes or endless emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple but powerful system that saves you time and headaches. Let's dive right in. The foundation of any great workflow in Monday.com starts with your boards and columns. Think of boards as your shop's digital command centers, maybe one board for orders, another for production, invoicing, or customer follow-ups. Now, to make these boards work for you, you'll want to add columns that track all the critical details for each job. Some must-have columns for a print shop include customer name, due date, status, salesperson, artwork status, production status, invoice status, quantity, and a notes section. Adding these columns isn't just about organization. It's about building a dashboard that gives you and your team instant visibility. For example, if you're skimming through jobs and you see the due date column, you know at a glance which orders need to be prioritized. Or if you check artwork status, you'll quickly spot what's holding up a job. Don't worry if you're missing a column right now. You can always add new ones as your workflow evolves. Once you've laid out your columns, the next big upgrade is customizing your status columns and colors. Status columns let you track exactly where each job is in the process. Maybe it's quoted, artwork approved, in progress, or ready for pickup. But here's where it gets even more helpful. Use color coding. Assign colors to each status so your eye can quickly find what matters. For example, bright red could mean a job needs urgent attention. Blue might signal that an order is just getting started, and green tells you a job is wrapped up and ready for the customer. You can even set up separate status columns for different departments, one for artwork, one for production, and so on, to help everyone know what's on their plate. This kind of visual clarity can turn a chaotic board into a calm, instantly understandable workspace. Now, let's take it to the next level with automations. Automations help you eliminate repetitive tasks and stay consistent. Setting them up in Monday.com is pretty straightforward, and they're a real game changer. For example, you can create an automation where, as soon as the status changes to ready for pickup, Monday.com automatically sends a notification email to your customer. Imagine the time saved, no more manual chasing. Or, you could set an automation to move the job card from the design board to the production board when it hits artwork approved. It's like having an invisible assistant moving things along so nothing falls through the cracks. Don't worry if this feels a bit technical. Monday.com provides simple recipes so you can follow along and adjust as you learn what works best for your team. Finally, let's make your workflow truly seamless by integrating Monday.com with your other business tools. If you're using software like QuickBooks for invoicing or Pipedrive for sales, you don't have to jump back and forth between programs. Using an integration platform like Zapier, you can connect Monday.com to all your key systems. For example, when a job reaches ready for invoicing, Zapier can trigger a new invoice in QuickBooks automatically, or send details to your sales CRM in Pipedrive. This step ensures every department gets what they need, cuts down on mistakes, and lets you handle more jobs with less effort. And that's it. You've built a flexible, powerful print shop workflow in Monday.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.